Hello, Super Kids! Welcome to Super Kids Fit. Today we'll move, stretch, and have lots of fun together. Get ready to feel strong and happy. Take a big, deep breath. Let's begin!
Sit tall. Bring the soles of your feet together and hold your feet. Move your knees gently like butterfly wings. Sit up straight with your legs long in front. Keep your back tall like a strong stick. Stretch one leg to the side and reach your arm over your head. Lean slowly and feel a big stretch. Let's change to the other leg. Sit comfortably with your legs crossed. Rest your hands on your knees and take calm breaths. Stand up tall, then bend forward and reach toward the floor. Let your head relax. Step your feet wide apart and bend forward slowly. Try to touch the floor with your hands. Stand with wide legs. Reach one hand down and the other up. Make a big triangle shape. Let's change to the other leg. Stand tall like a tree. Put one foot on your other leg. Stretch your arms out to the sides like big branches and stay balanced. Let's change to the other leg.
Great job, Super Kids! You did amazing today! If you had fun, subscribe to Super Kids Fit so you don't miss any fun routines. Bye-bye!